Hey there! In today's video, we're going to add realistic weather effects to our AI art. Whether you want a rainy day or a sunny afternoon, this tutorial will guide you through creating lifelike weather effects. We'll be using Bing AI Image Generator for adding weather effects. Open the tool and let's start by creating a base image. Open your browser. Search Bing AI Image. Click on the first link. Then click on Join and Create. Log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have, create one, then log in. Generate a base image using prompts like landscape at sunrise or cityscape during the day. Once you have your base, you can add weather effects. Use prompts like heavy rain with dark clouds or foggy morning with soft light to modify the scene. Adjust the intensity and placement as needed. Refine the weather effects to make them blend seamlessly with the base image. You might want to add reflections or adjust the visibility. Apply any final adjustments to the colors and effects to enhance the overall look of your weathered scene. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your weather-enhanced images with us in the comments.